shell, and there everything is already here. You know what is peptone?
Peptones.
Yeah. Have you heard this word? Not peptide, but peptone.
Yeah. Peptone is protein.
Derived from protein because it was partially digested by
Pepsin.
It's partially digested protein, and this is very good source of what elements for microbes?
Carbon.
Nitrogen, yeah. So especially nitrogen mainly, and this bacteria use the nitrogen sources in the form of peptone. Okay. So this meeting is already standardized, so you don't need to put colonies. Okay. So to make this, you're sterilizing the loop. No, let's do this quickly because I have already sterilized. So then we check the sample from the tube. How to hold it correctly?
First you open the cork.
No. First you hold it correctly. Am I holding correctly?
No, sir.
Why?
Because you can't see where the loop is going.
Now I see.
No, actually, your hand was not going, that's why.
This.
It's like this.
So you are holding just by two fingers. Okay? And some students holding like this. It's also not right. It must be here. So this part must just lay on your hand. Okay? And you are just holding it. That's all. So can I hold like this? Yeah. In the end of the process, I will flame this part and I will flame my fingers. No one wants this, of course. So you sterilize, then you take the sample. How to open? Can I put this on?
No, sir.
Okay. Then
Put the loop inside. Take not collect.
take or
Collect
First,
so if I will collect immediately, most probably you will hear.
cooling down of the loop.
So you will hear this whisper. So it does not mean you kill all of them, of course not. You see how much solution here. You can't kill them. You just need to boil them to kill. But the amount you will take, first amount, will be that. That's why to avoid this problem. No, I'm just killing the remaining microbes. It's a live culture, so it's not fake. Be careful. Okay. So not to kill them, you just pull it. It will take several seconds, 5 to 10, but you'll be sure it's sterile and no one destroyed in advance. Otherwise, you will manipulate dead microbes. Of course, don't wait for this result. So you make this, and then you take the bacteria by circle part of the loop. When you take the material, don't touch the walls. Okay, so try to pull off the loop very, very carefully. Then, yeah, I can put it, but where's my first hand then?
Close the cap.
First, sterilize and then
Sterilize the loop
Tubes.
like this.
Yes.
Then,
sterilize the cord.
and close. And then,
Then put
so, and as you remember, I told you, so if you're right-handed, keep this on the left side. Otherwise, if it will be there, you have to cross the fire, and it can harm you. That's why if you're right-handed, on the left. If you're left-handed, on the right. So now you have to make first primary inoculation. So why did I say to hold upside down? So you can hold like this, no problem. But in this case, you should do this. Hold both. If you have enough practice, no, I'm not sure you have it, but you can try this. But don't break it. Otherwise, everything will fall down, and everything will be destroyed. That's why you are taking only dish part with medium, okay? But you don't have to do this like this. It's a very big mistake. So actually, it's not sterile already. But since I'm just showing you, just watch mistakes you cannot do. So you're working near the fire. So your first inflation is happening on the, no, if you imagine this is clockwise, it is 12. Okay? So you are making the first primary inflation here. Then, I have to continue the zone number 2. But before you do this, you after every sector or zone, you sterilize the loop. Okay? Will I have meters here right now? No, but will be there in the dish? Yes. Is it maximum concentration here or minimal? If I just literally replace from tube with maximum concentration here, it's also maximum. How can I decrease the concentration of the microbes here? By splitting them on zone number 2, which is sterile, which is 3 microbes right now. But you see, media is transparent, and we need a bit light to see the zones where you already made the manipulation. Lines, streaks, okay? Because if you don't see them, your manipulation will be wrong. So that's why I try to keep the petri dish a bit with angle. So it's, of course, you have to wait for cooling, okay? There is kind of life hack how to increase the speed of cooling. You just can take the loop and put it on the border between the glass and the dish, and the culture media. Because you will not use this area for cultivation. It's too far. That's why I can put it inside. Then, so I see my inoculation zone number 1 here. I'm a little bit putting it in a different angle and try to sharing a bit of amount here into next zone, number 2. That's all. Then I'm again shifting to zone number 3, sterilizing the loop. Again, a bit of cooling. So it's just option. You can just wait near the fire. It also will be cool. But you have to be sure you are not affecting the microbial growth. Okay? So zone number 3. And then look on the picture how it's shown there. You are making kind of white inoculation, affecting even the central part. Yeah? I'm not practicing like this. We can do this, or you can practice this, which I will show it to you now. So 1, 2, 3. By the way, media became solid with a kind of bubbles inside. It's not okay, it must be flat. Otherwise, I will touch this area and I can break the media. Okay? It's called solid, but don't think it's literally solid. Of course not. It's like gel. Once you push it, you can break it easily. So, number 4. Okay, I see. You share material here. That's why I told you. See? So there was a bubble. Here it's enlarged a bit, and just small push and loop goes down. It's not okay. Media not be completely flat. But okay, no problem. And you see how they are showing. So you can spread to the center. Yeah. From zone number 4, you can continue to the center, or you can make inoculation in the form of the snail in the middle part. Yeah, just a little amount. And that's all. So you make 4 inoculations. 4 zones are inoculated. Which zone will give you more chance of discrete colonies? First? No. First will be maximum. 4th or maybe even 3rd. Yeah. But it depends on what. Why sometimes you can see discrete colonies even on zone number 1? It depends on what. Where? In initial sample. Yeah. If amount of bacteria here already very minimal, so you can see discrete colonies even in zone number 1. And logically it will be in zone 2 and 4, of course. If you do everything correct. After you did this, so you take the pencil and write your ID, no, how you name yourself, like in subgroups. You can write ABC, 1, 2, 3, or just put your names. Don't write it in the whole dish. Just on the border, here, something. Okay? Because when you get the growth, you need to observe the growth through the glass. If you write a lot here, how you will do this? I think it's clear. So, and then, of course, in this you just turn off this one. That's all. So try to do the same in your working places. So you can take this sample, but not the dish. It's always